To begin, select Login in the top right corner of the website. If login isn't completed within 30 seconds, a pop-up window will appear. To continue, click the X in the top right corner. Once you type in the email and password associated with your account, you will be prompted to select your ship-to address. When that is complete, you will proceed to the rest of your account. If you would like to change your password, select My Account in the top right corner. When the drop-down menu opens, click My Profile, then scroll to the bottom and select Change Password. You will be prompted to enter the current password, the new password, and confirm the new password. When you click Save, a green bar stating that your password was updated successfully will appear towards the top of the page. And you will also receive a confirmation sent to the email associated with your ShopEECO account. If you cannot remember your password, click Login and in the pop-up window, select Forgot Password. A new window will appear, prompting you to input the email associated with your account. Once that is completed, there will be a green bar stating that a password reset email has been sent. There will be a link within the email to ensure a secure password reset. When you finish entering and confirming your new password, click Submit. There will be a pop-up stating your password has been successfully updated. In addition, you will also receive a confirmation email.